Alright, so this is the measuring wheel here, and that is how the logs get measured. This one's got a bit of play in the bearing, so we're going to change it out. We'll undo these bolts either side here, pop this ram off the pin and pull the whole assembly out. So now that's removed, we'll take this opportunity to get rid of these sticks and change these grease nipples. So here's the new arm and the new wheel with the bearing in it. We're going to take the encoder out of the old one, which is still pretty new, and fit it to this one. So here's the length encoder, and we'll put it in the arm there, connect it up, and that works by electromagnetic pulses. So here's the magnet, and it picks up this groove in there to count the rotations when it's on the top like that, and spins. So after doing the video about the measuring wheel and the encoder inside there, I thought, you know what, I better do a part 2 and do one about the electrics. So here's the loom from that encoder. It runs through this hose from the back of the measuring wheel arm, and it runs all the way up into here. And I'm going to fit a Deutsch connector to the end of it to plug back in so it can go into the onboard computer on the harvester head. And then we've got to do a calibration on the length and make sure it's measuring correctly.